Need people to upload documents, images, or other files through your Fillout form? Well, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add file upload fields in Fillout step by step. We'll also cover how to configure upload settings and test everything before publishing your form. First, sign in to your Fillout account and open the form where you want to collect files. If you haven't created a form yet, simply start a new one from your dashboard. Inside the form editor, open the list of available field types and select File Upload. A new upload field will be added to your form, allowing respondents to attach files when they complete it. Next, customize the upload field. Depending on your Fillout plan and available features, you may be able to choose accepted file types, set maximum file sizes, limit the number of uploads, or adjust other upload options. To avoid confusion, update the field label and add a short description explaining what respondents should upload. For example, you can request a resume, identification document, project file, or image, along with any formatting requirements. After that, open the preview mode and upload a sample file to test the field. Make sure the file uploads successfully and confirm that any size limits or file type restrictions work as expected. Once you're satisfied with the setup, save your changes and publish the form. Share it using a public link, embed it on your website, or use any other available sharing option so respondents can begin uploading files. And that's it. Yeah, you've successfully added a file upload field to your Fillout form. Now you can collect documents, photos, PDFs, and other files directly from your respondents. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more simple technology tutorials, and thanks so much for watching.